Have you ever wondered if you can use your registered agent address as your business address? Let's break it down. First off, if you're asking this question, you've probably hired a company to be your registered agent. That usually means you don't have a physical office space, and you want to keep your home address private. Fair enough. So, can you use a registered agent's address as your business address? The short answer is no. Registered agents are there to accept legal notices for your business, not to serve as your business's physical location. The state wants to know where your business operations are actually taking place. When you're applying for city or county licenses, you need to show that your business is within the right jurisdiction. This means you need a physical address within that city or county. Your registered agent might be in a different city or county, which complicates things. But don't worry, there are ways around this. For instance, co-working spaces often let you use their address for a membership fee. You just need to make sure that address complies with your state's rules. Some states like Florida require a street address, not a P.O. box. Now, if you don't use a registered agent service and instead name a business partner as your registered agent, you can use your company's address for both. That's one scenario where you can use the same address for everything. But in general, mixing up addresses can cause confusion with lenders and anyone else you're doing business with. So it's best to keep things clear and separate: your registered agent address for legal notices and your physical business address for everything else. If you found this helpful and want more tips on protecting and growing your business, check out our other videos. And if you need to contact a business attorney, we've got our info in the description below. This video is brought to you by LegalRegistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit LegalRegistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.